So I was doing a video for my YouTube channel, and then it was sunny just like a couple minutes ago, and then suddenly it's hailing. It's not just hailing, it's like pouring down. Well, I guess the greater forces here really don't want me to get that video going for whatever reason. But well, I'm at the Bloedel Reserve on Banbridge Island, and it's a really beautiful park. And I have to say, especially in the rain, it's really beautiful, very zen. Here's the entrance to the Japanese garden, and this is the moss garden. It's very beautiful, very green, and has a very special feeling during rainy time. And as I'm recording this, the hail is actually still keep coming down. That is crazy. Look at that. But you know, I guess this is what you get sometimes when you're outdoor and doing your thing. Well, rains stop, and the park is now completely sunny. But I think I'm done with videoing today. For now, it's time to go home, enjoy this crazy weather, and have my dinner. Alright, until next time.